everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Valentine's Day Godzilla. So hope you follow along and enjoy this fun Valentine's Day video. Now to start off with our Valentine's Godzilla picture, we want to begin with the face. I'm going to start right up here and we're going to begin with the eye. So let's start by making a line that's going to go down and then we're going to bring it back like this. Next we'll draw a line that's going to go down and then up. We'll bring a little line back and then we'll make it come down with another little line down. Next we're going to draw a line that's going to go up. We're going to come over and then we're going to go in. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go out and we're going to come down. Right here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve up for like a smile. Then starting here, we'll draw a little line that's going to come down. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. We're going to come up like this. Right inside of here, we're going to make a little curved line for the nose. And also inside of here, let's add some little pointy teeth at the top and then some pointy teeth at the bottom. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve down for the neck. And over here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and in. And then we're going to go down and then in. Now let's start right about here underneath his chin and we're going to make like a big heart that he's holding. So let's start here and we're going to begin with a line that's just going to curve up and then it's going to come down. And over here we're going to make another line that's just going to curve up and then we're going to bring it down. Right here, let's make a line that's going to come into a point and then back. We'll do one more here, and then one more here. Next, let's just curve this line down for the hand. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come over here. We're going to draw a little line that's going to come up, and we're going to put some little points on it for his other hand, and we're going to curve it down. Next, let's bring a line that comes up here, and then a line that's going to come up here for his arm. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, then we'll bring this line up here. And we can bring this line down. Starting right here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to curve down. Then we'll make a little line that's going to come out, and then it's going to curve in for his leg. We'll draw a little line that's going to come down and back for a toe. One more here, and then one more here. Next, we're going to bring this line up and then in like that. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve around. We're going to draw a little line that's going to come down and back, and then one more right here for his other foot. Then we're going to curve this line up and then in. We'll connect it right here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down for his body. And then for his tail, let's make a nice long line that's going to curve around. We're going to round it off at the end, and then we're going to bring it back to here. Next, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down, and then a line that's going to come down here. Then we'll just make a few little curved lines on here for his little kind of scaly stomach. Then we'll draw a little line that comes down here on the tail. And we'll do the same thing. We'll just draw some of these little curved lines just to make it look like he's got a nice little scale pattern going all the way down his tail. Now, starting up here, let's make some spikes. So we'll begin right here, and we're just going to make a couple little pointed spikes. I like to do about 3 or 4 points on each one, and as we come down here, we can make them get a little bit bigger. And then we'll start making them a little bit smaller as they go down the tail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cartoon Valentine's Day Godzilla. Now there's a lot of other things you could add. You can always put more characters in here. We can make like some little fire coming out of here. There's lots of stuff. But I'm just going to keep it simple. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.